Hey, food lovers! Today, I'm diving deep into one of my all-time favorite dishes. And guess what? It's none other than the mouth-watering Tandoori Chicken. Originating from the vibrant lands of North India, Tandoori Chicken is not just a dish. It's a celebration of flavors, colors, and aromas that can tantalize any palate. So, how did this delightful dish come to be? Let's find out. The story of Tandoori Chicken begins with the tandoor itself, which is a type of clay oven used traditionally in Indian cooking. This ancient cooking method provides the unique charred and smoky flavor that tandoori chicken is famous for. The secret? It's all in the marinade. To get that perfect tandoori chicken, you need a mix of yogurt and a bunch of spices, including Kashmiri chili, turmeric, garam masala, and some ginger garlic paste. This combination not only flavors the chicken, but also tenderizes it to perfection. Now, marinating time is crucial, folks. For the best results, you'll want to let your chicken bathe in these spices for at least a few hours, though overnight is ideal. This way, every bite you take is infused with those incredible spices. Once your chicken is well marinated, it's time for the magic to happen. The chicken pieces are skewered and cooked in the tandoor. But don't worry if you don't have a tandoor at home. A good old oven or even a grill can work wonders too. Just remember to set it at a high temperature to mimic the intense heat of the tandoor. As the chicken cooks, it gets this beautiful fiery red color, which is not just appealing to the eyes, but also a promise of the zest and zing that await your taste buds. And there you have it. Serve your tandoori chicken hot, garnished with some fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lemon juice for that extra kick. It's smoky, it's spicy, and it's everything you could ask for in a dish. Alright folks, that's it for today's culinary adventure. I hope you're as excited as I am to try making tandoori chicken at home. Remember, good food is all about experimenting and enjoying the process. So, go ahead, give it a shot, and let the flavors do the talking. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious journeys like this one. Until next time, keep the food love going. Bye.